Like this combo I'm giving you is able to lighten your skin in just 2 weeks. But that doesn't mean that you should now make, you see this product, there is no way this product is not going to work for you, especially when you mix it the way I have told you to mix it. Are you a fair skin person that is looking to lighten up her skin more, like 2 to 3 shades? If that is you, then this video is for you. If you're a dark person that is looking to lighten his or her skin, please avoid this video. It is not for you, because these products are products that is going to take you 2 to 3 shades lightening, but it is for people that are fair. You are fair, but you want to brighten more. You want to lighten up your skin more. Do you understand? There is a foundation of fairness on your skin already. Then this routine is for you. If you're a dark person, please avoid this product. If not, it is going to give you that bleaching effect. If you want me to make videos for dark person that wants to brighten up or wants to lighten up, that is, you want to lighten up your skin, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do that for you. But today's video is for a fair person that wants to get 2 to 3 shades lightening. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, I am beautiful Jenny, a certified skincare consultant. What do? I help you to find the right products for you. I help you to find the right procedures for you, just in case your skin concerns needs you to go for an in-clinic treatment. I will tell you the particular treatment you need to go for, the particular thing you need to do for your skin. That's my job, and I share videos about everything, and I also offer one-on-one skin consultation. So if you're interested, hit me up on WhatsApp or just watch all my videos. They are very much educative, and you are going to learn a lot on this channel. So welcome. So now you want to lighten up your skin, you want to get 2 to 3 shades lightening. I want to say something before I start giving you the products. Okay, you need to have a routine. A lot of people, they just want to lighten their skin. They are focusing on the lightening body lotion they want to get. But sometimes to get that skin you want, you have to have a routine. You have to use products that are aligning. If your products aren't aligning, you might not get results, or get results that is not actually what you bargained for. Do you understand? So I'm going to run you down the products and then tell you how to use it. How to use is more important than knowing the product. I always say this in my videos. Please watch this video to the end. Watch this video through, because how to use it is more important than the products. You just click this video to find out. Now, the number one product I'm going to tell you is one of the most important products you need to get for this particular routine. The reason is because when you want to lighten your skin, yes, the aim of lightening is very clear and it's actually very simple. But the one that a lot of people neglect is protecting your skin, because anytime you want to lighten up your skin, see, no matter how good that product promises you to be, there are side effects to it, and your skin can choose to react in a very bad way. Trust me on this. Do you understand? So when you want to lighten up your skin, it is very important to get your moisturizing routine, your hydrating routine in check. Now, for this, I'm going to be recommending 2 body lotions. You just need to get one, which is the body lotion you are going to be using in the daytime, and body lotions you are going to be using at night, when I'm going to tell you how to use the product. Number one is this Eucerin you are seeing on the screen. This Eucerin Repair Body Lotion. That is the one. And for the affordable option that I have for you, because the Eucerin is not so cheap. So if you want something more affordable, I am going to be recommending this Vaseline Argan Oil Body Lotion. This is a very good top-notch moisturizing body lotion that will deeply nourish and moisturize your skin. When you are lightening your skin, you need a deep repairing, restoring body lotion to go with it. If not, you might be heading straight to skin damage. Take this from an expert and from an experienced driver. Do you understand? So you need to get these body lotions, any of them, or if you want more options, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll give you more options. I can't list options so this video doesn't get too long. All right, so that is it. Now, the lightning set that I have for you. Number one is the Lumin Carrot Face and Body Extra Strong Whitening Body Lotion, but this is a lightening body lotion. It is not a whitening body lotion. Now, the second product is the Lumin Carrot Organic Extract Lightening Body Oil. The third product is Egyptian Magic Whitening Milk Serum with argan oil. The fourth product is the Lumin Carrot and Apricot Face and Body Exfoliating Bar Soap. So these are the products you need for this routine. These are the products you need for this routine. All right. So over to how to use. How do you use this product? Now, this product, I'm going to prescribe it 2 ways for 2 different skins. Now, you know you have a normal skin, not so tough skin. Your skin accepts lightening products. Like when you start using a lightening product, it begins to show almost immediately. Then you are not going to need the serum. this particular serum is not for you if you're in that category. But you know that you have a very tough skin. For some people, they have very tough skin. If they start using, no matter how lightning that product, it takes time before they start seeing results. If you know you are that person, then you are going to need to add the serum. Okay, so if you're that person that needs to add serum, so get that your body lotion, get a neat jar, a neat plate, very neat, okay, very, very neat and dry. Scoop out half of your body lotion and add half of this particular body serum into it and mix it. That's what you're going to be using. And the reason why I am telling you not to empty the whole bottle of the serum into your full container of cream is number one, because of oxidizing. Sometimes when you do that, the product is going to oxidize. That's why when you are not using your lotion, you now notice it's either pinkish, it's brownish, or it's dark. So to avoid that, mix half into half of your lotion. Or if you even know you are someone that doesn't use lotion very fast, some people are very slow with lotion, divide your lotion into four. Okay, scoop out one part and use one part also. Divide with your eyes now, obviously just look at the measurement. Divide the oil into four in your eyes and use one part into that one part, 1/4 body lotion that you brought out. Do you understand? So mix as you go. Don't mix and keep in bulk. No, it might oxidize. Remember, these are two different products. Okay, now how are you going to use these particular things? The moisturizing body lotions obviously are for mornings. Okay, in the morning you're going to use it, and your bar soap is what you use morning and night. Okay, you can use the bar soap morning and night. It is actually a brightening bar soap that can be used morning and night. Now, your moisturizing body lotion is for morning, and then your lightening body lotion is for the night. Okay, your lightening body lotion is for the night with the body oil. So you apply your body lotion and then you follow up with your body oil. Okay, whether you are in the part of the person that mixed or you are in the part of the person that did not mix, use your body lotion with your body oil. It helps to seal in the moisture and to keep your skin more moisturized. Remember, the key here is to constantly keep your skin moisturized, to avoid stretch marks, to avoid green veins, and all of those things. Now, if you are someone that is prone to green veins, I would suggest not to use these products every day. You are someone that is prone to green veins, I would suggest you start adding this into your routine from 2 times a week. You build it up to the tolerance of your skin. Start 2 times a week. You can do Monday and Fridays. Okay, for like 2 weeks, you use it like that. Like this, the result is not going to be instant. See, if you want to lighten your skin, even if the product you are using is able to lighten you up in 4 days, like this combo I'm giving you is able to lighten your skin in just 2 weeks. But that doesn't mean that you should now make that your goal to lighten your skin in 2 weeks. Spread that 2 weeks to 1 month, spread that 2 weeks to 2 months to 3 months. The goal here is to achieve a beautiful fair skin, okay, on the long run and not on the short run, because anything you go short like that is going to backfire. So I usually suggest to start using your lightening products 2 times a week, 3 times a week. Then when you have used it for 1 month and you notice that, oh, the result I am seeing is not tangible, okay, now you can now increase it to 3 to 4 times depending on your patience. You can increase it the next month 3 to 4 times every week. Then obviously the result is going to increase on your skin after the next month. Do you understand? But the point of the matter is, when you go like this, you are going to see almost zero to no reaction from using this particular product. Almost zero to no reaction, because of the way you are spacing it out. You are giving your skin time to adapt to the ingredients in this particular lotion, and also to step down your melanin in a gradual process. If not, if you go that fast and try to, lighten up your skin and your melanin level drops dramatically, it is going to try to force its way out another way. That is why a lot of people have issues with skin lightening. But when you go this gradual, you are going to see results with your skin. All you need is patience, all you need is tactics, and all you need is consistent. Don't come and say, oh, you are going to use the body lotion 2 times in a week, and then you forget to use it 1 time, and you end up using it just once a week, and come out and say the product did not work for you. You see, these products, there is no way this product is not going to work for you, especially when you mix it the way I have told you to mix it. There is no way. If you like have the toughest skin, I've met a lot of people that say, oh, their skin is tough. No matter how lightening the product is, it doesn't lighten your skin. That's not true. That's not true. Okay, use this product the way I have told you. If you have a tougher skin from the second month, you can choose to use it like 5 times in a week. 5 times in a week, there is no way your skin is not going to lighten up or brighten up. Lighten up, actually, not lighten up. Okay, so when you have gotten the shade of complexion you have, maintenance is key. Maintenance is key. You don't continue using the lightening cream 5 times a week for life. No. Once you have now gotten the results you want, you now enter maintenance mode. This is the point that is also very important. Maintenance mode. You need to know how to maintain what you have got. When you have gotten your results, you now go back to dropping the consistency at which you have used it. So let's say you are the person that have increased it to increase using your lightening body lotions to 5 times a week or 4 times a week. When you have gotten the shade that you want, you are now going to drop that consistency to like 3 times in a week. You now use your lightening cream 3 times a week. And then in those other days you are not using your lightening cream, go heavy on moisturization. If the two lotions I prescribe, if it's not moisturizing enough for your skin, maybe you have a bit of drier skin, you can go in with lightening oils, moisturizing lightening oils, body oils like Aveno, Cousin's baby oil, Pierre's baby oil, just moisturizing oils, not lightening or anything, please. Just moisturizing, hydrating body oils. So use those to use along the moisturizing, hydrating body lotions you're using. Please don't mix inside. Don't mix your moisturizing body lotion. There's really no need for that. Just apply your body lotion and go ahead and apply your moisturizing, hydrating body lotion. So I hope this was clear enough. If you have more questions, more concerns, let me know in the comment section. And remember to like this video, share this video, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.